Hi, this is Adrienne with Swift Galleries. I wanted to show you really quickly about favoriting templates and how that looks in Manage Templates and how that looks when you're in the photographer's design view. So I'm going to show you a couple different places. First, I'm going to show you Manage Templates. So I'm coming over here to Products and then Manage Templates. And I already have some templates that are selected as favorite templates. And you can tell which templates those are because they have this blue background. They'll also be at the top of your templates manager. So I have all my different templates in here. I have a bunch of different product types, so I have a lot of different ones. But these are the ones that I have favorited. If I want to add a new favorite, all I need to do is click on one and click favorite. And now that's a favorite. If you select one that's further down, like this one, it's going to keep it down here until you refresh the page or go back and come back again later, and then it'll be up here with the other favorites. But so this is how you favorite a template in Manage Templates. This is where you set a template as a favorite template. And I'm going to show you now when you go into the designer itself what that looks like. So I'm going to go into a client that I have previously built and set up. And this is the photographer design view. This is not the in-person sales meeting, but it's going to be showing the templates the same way. All right, so when I'm in the templates tab, I'm only going to see these favorited templates. I'm not going to see any other templates. If I have one template or more than that favorited, when I go into my templates tab in the photographer design view or an in-person sales meeting, into the designer, I'm only going to see those favorited templates. We do this because we want to show your client the least number of options possible first, and then you can always dig down and show them more, or create a custom design or something like that. But these are all of my favorited templates. I can set those, I can fill with them with images, all of that stuff. But to get to all of the other pre-built templates, I'm going to click on Show Filters, and I'm going to scroll down here to wherever the bottom of all my different products are, and this is going to be automatically selected. When I go into the designer, it's automatically going to have this selected, which is Show Only My Favorites. Now if you notice, scrolling back up here, it shows that there are only 10 templates that match these filters. Okay? When I deselect Show Only My Favorites and go back up, now I can see I have 140 templates that match these filters. I'm going to click Hide Filters. It might take it a minute because I have so many products and filters in here. But once that's done, I can now see that my favorites are at the top and all of my other templates are down here. Okay, so remember, in Manage Templates, you are always going to see all of your templates with your favorites at the top. But when you are in the designer, in the photographer design view, or during an in-person sales meeting, and you go into the templates tab, you're automatically going to have Show Only My Favorites selected. So if you want to see all of the other templates that you have pre-built, you're going to want to go into Show Filters, scroll all the way down, deselect that, and then click to hide your filters. And that will show you all of your filters with the favorites at the top, which is how Manage Templates is set up. But remember, in the designer, you have to go in and deselect that. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'm always happy to help, and thanks for watching.